So here we are, we're back on this panel. We're gonna get a bit in here, I think this time. Come up here, comes up to this bit here where it folds over here, dips down a little bit here. I reckon I could make that dip down there and get that bit, and probably put another bit in here to get this shape, because then I can bend the rest of that down and weld all that on. I think that's probably the best thing to do. So I'm going to try and get this bit in here now, do this bit, and then I'll go over to here maybe, and then come down. That's probably the plan. That's probably the better bit. I'll probably leave that for now. But yeah, we're a bit more positive today about it. Wasn't the other day, weren't really feeling it the other day, but I'm back in the game and I'm going to crack on. So let's get involved. Come on, get involved. So there you go, look, that's all in there. I haven't shown you how to do this because it was just backwards and forwards, but I used this like steel tube to roll it round to get the sort of shape, but it's got quite a, it does actually go back quite a bit there. I'm going to show you well without dropping everything. You can see there, let's see. Sort of curves a bit back a bit. That goes down at the back, so I've managed to get that shape, as you can see there. And it does actually fit in there nice. So I think that's what we're going to do, is get this in here and get that all welded in. But yeah, I'm going to have to shape it a bit here as I come down to get that curve at the bottom, so it comes back over this way. But yeah, it's looking alright actually. I was going to do this lip, but I decided to cut it off. Then I'll put the lip on after, because I think that's going to be a lot more easier. I've got the bit of metal I took off so I can sort of curve it around, but we'll see. I might wait until the panel's done, then tack it in afterwards. I'm not sure. We're going to get on this bit first. I might come back to that eventually. We'll crack on this, get this done. Let's go. So there you go, all in, all welded in here. Got the shape now, come back down to this bit. So what I'm going to do is come down to here. You've got this bit here is a bit curved, where the chassis leg looks from underneath it does this. So I've got to get this shape here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this panel here first, so there to there, get that bit in, then get these two in, and then I'll come back and get this bit done and curved into shape here. That's probably the best thing to do. I'm going to cut all this metal off here, what's been embossed on here. Cut this off here, and then I can get that more of that shape. I mean, it only comes down to here anyway, so I'm only sort of bending it to that bit. So, but I think maybe I might have to leave some little slits in it so I can then shape it onto the chassis leg, and then get it all in place. That's probably might be the best thing to do, but we'll do this bit first, get this cut off, do this bit first, and then we'll go from there. We'll see what we're going to do. So I decided just to crack on really. I've done this bit up here because that was going to be a little bit fiddly. I thought I'd just get that done. I mean, it was just going to be too much going backwards and forwards with the camera and showing you really. So I thought it'd be easy just to get that bit in and get these other little bits made up really. But showing you what I do and how I do it, you've sort of seen a bit of it. So I thought I'll get this bit done. This is all shaped nice, as you can see there. That fits on there perfectly. So I'll get that all welded in, and also this other bit I made, which goes in there, which has got like that little bit, like I was telling you before, it's got a little bit of a dip in there. So that will sit on nice on the actual chassis leg. So that's what I've done. I'm going to just get all this welded up now, get it all nice and in shape, and then trim off the little bits at the top here, and then sort of release it from the back panel, the old panel, and see if that fits. We'll see if that actually makes shape, but it does make a difference taking the panel off, because then I can get that clamp there, the clamp there, I clamp at both sides, and that can squash it a lot tighter to the panel, which has helped quite a bit. So that's what I've done. We'll get these bits welded in now and get this whole panel so it actually looks like a panel now. So that's what we'll do. So we'll crack on. Let's go. Right, there you go, all rolled up now. So I'll just smooth this bit off here to get the shape. As you can see there, it's got a nice little bit of shape to that. So what we're going to do is get all this smoothed off, and then probably release it from the other panel really, and then put this on and get it shaped up and get all these other bits just welded up and get this bit cut off. And I've got another bit to put in here, like I did in the other one. So yeah, I'm going to get that in there as well once I get it all on the car, before I get it welded in. But yeah, it's looking really good. Still got to obviously do this bit, but when I'm going to get that bit on, when I put it on the car, get all this lip on and weld it in. Probably the best thing to do. I think that's what I'm going to do. You know what I'm like. I might just put a little bit in here, tack it in so it's ready to go. Yeah, that's what I might do. Might do that, tack it in, this little bit here, get this bit in, tack it in, and then I can weld up when it's in there. Right, let's go, let's try and get this smoothed off now, and see how we are. There you go, it's starting to take some shape there now. As you can see there, it's come up really nice. All the way down there. So it's starting to get there. But what I'll do is get this all finished off and smoothed off in the next video. So that is it, end of the video. The videos have been a little bit short lately, but I will start making them a bit longer. I've only cut them down to make them quicker so you can see the process, what I'm doing at the moment. But thanks for coming back, like and subscribe, keep the comments coming, and I'll see you next time.